channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is another edition of Battle of the Boxes, Boxycharm versus Ipsy, November 2019. So if this sounds like a video for you, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so this is something that is newer to my channel and I get really excited about it because Boxycharm is now $25 a month and you are guaranteed to have at least $125 worth of product in your box every single month. You do now get to choose some of the items that are in your box, and eventually, you guys, we're gonna get to do add-ons as well. Now, a little bit about Ipsy. Ipsy is also $25 a month and you do get to choose some of your products, or at least one of your products in this box every single month, and of course, we can do add-ons as well. Now, I'm gonna go ahead, I've done dedicated videos of both of these boxes for you guys. However, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of open them up, show you what I got. If I've tested and tried out the products, I am gonna let you know about that as well. We're gonna go ahead and talk about the value of both of the boxes. And then of course at the end, we're gonna decide, well, I'm gonna decide which one I like better. So anyways, let's just jump right into the Boxycharm box. So the first out of our standard box that we did receive is, this is something that I got to choose in my box. This was the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Now, like I said, you get the option to start choosing some of your products, and I did go ahead and choose this. I can't remember what the other choice was, to be honest with you guys, but I chose this one, and it does have a retail value of $50. Boxycharm does send us full-size products as well, so everything that you see in here is going to be the full size. Okay, so the next item we received is the two Boxycharm brushes, and I forgot to clean them before I'm going to show them to you, but at least you guys know I've tried them out. Now, both of these are only for Boxycharm. You guys can see on here, it does say Boxycharm. So these are Boxycharm only brushes. And in the standard, you did get two of their brushes, which as you guys may be able to see, the two different sizes. Now I will tell you, I have used both of them and I do like them to apply my foundation or my powder if I'm going for more of like a thicker type of fuller coverage type of look. The retail value of these brushes are $35 and they are specific only to Boxycharm. They are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free, and like I said, they have a retail value of $35. I will tell you guys, I do like these, but if you are trying to get more of like a light powder application or foundation application, you may not enjoy these, just to be honest with you guys. But for me, if I want that fuller coverage, it works out really, really nice. The next item we got, and a dedicated video is either already up or it's coming very, very soon for you guys. I've already done it, the application process and the different looks with this palette. This is the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. You got a choice of 8 shades in here. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. It does retail for $35. And like I said, if the video is not already up, it's coming very soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. And by the way, if you're enjoying this unboxing, can you do me a huge favor? Help me out and hit that like button. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I absolutely love this palette. Multiple looks are coming very, very soon, as well as a full review. And like I said, retails for $35. Next, again, Dose of Colors and Boxycharm paired up together and came out with 4 different color, I think it was 4 different color lipsticks you could receive in your November box. I, in this box, received the Nude Mood shade. It is a very pretty, right up my alley, neutral, basic shade that is perfect for your girl. And I will tell you guys, I've got like a couple other Dose of Color lipsticks and I really actually enjoy the formula. Let me wipe this off because girl's a klutz. So that does retail for $18. By the way, for this particular version, this is version 8 that I am showing you guys right now. Now, the last item I received in my box is 2 of the Tula Skincare Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmetic Hydrogel Mask. We got a total of 2 of them, as you guys see. I have not tried them out yet. I love sheet masks personally. I love to put them on and then put my photo mask on top and then like let it do its thing, or use my my sheet mask, and then after I've sat on there for like 20 minutes, then I put my photo mask machine doohickey on, and it's just like a nice little pampering session. Anyways, this does retail for $22. It has 2% salicylic acid. It helps to clear up acne, helps to prevent blackheads or breakouts, and brightens the acne marks left behind. This may be a little too much for my skin right now because I am more normal to dry. However, this is going to be great for my children, so I will definitely be using this on my teens. Now, retail value of this box is $160. So let me go ahead and show you guys everything that is in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for November 2019. Again, there was a dedicated video for this particular box, as well as my daughter and I did Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus edition for you guys. I will try and either link it up here or put it at the end of this video. So, I don't know how this particularly works for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Like I showed you guys, there is a version for each of the Boxycharms. I don't know if this right here on the card that we get, if that down here is our version of your box. If you guys know, definitely leave me a comment down below. Like I said, this is a monthly subscription. It also is $25 a month. We do get a card, just like we do in our Boxycharm. So starting right off in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we did get a makeup bag, which if you guys saw the Ipsy versus Ipsy Mother versus Daughter Glam Bag Plus edition, my daughter mentioned that it's good that Ipsy finally decided to bring this back to us since it's called Glam Bag Plus. You expect to get a bag. So anyways, that is not part of what is on the card. It is, I guess, I'm assuming going to be standard in the boxes. Now, the first item I got was the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel Primer. I said that in the French. No, that's wrong. It's just Hydra Veil. It's a primer. It's also a hydrating primer, is what I'm trying to tell you guys. It does retail for $45. I have yet to try this. However, not only have y'all told me that this product is absolutely amazing, but my daughter has actually tried it out and been trying it out, and she said it is beautiful, and she's so excited that we received this. So like I said, that retailed for $45. The next item that I did receive is by Trestique, and this is a mascara. Now this mascara does retail for $25, and I still have not tried this brand yet. Some of you guys again gave me your 2 cents on it and said it is not one of your favorite mascaras. It does have a curling wand on one side, and then on the other side is your mascara, and like I said, it does retail value of $25. The next item I got, and I told you guys in the dedicated video that I need to go back in and change my profile, that I do have normal to dry skin, but my profile has normal to oily. So they did send me the Murad Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. Again, this is like the full size for the Murad. Murad is a very, very good skincare line. So if you are looking for something at Sephora, I definitely recommend Murad. When I had very oily skin, I love the cleanser and I love their products. So this does have a retail value of $22, and again, we'll go to one of my teenagers. The next item that I did get was by Ciate London, and this is the Dewy Stick. It is going to be going into a giveaway. I haven't decided if it's going into a Patreon giveaway or a YouTube giveaway. By the way, if you are interested in becoming one of our Patreon family members, definitely make sure to check my description box down below, because I am starting giveaways only specific for my Patreon. So link listed in the description box below. But this, actually Haley received this as well, and I got to swatch hers, and we definitely felt like it definitely was like a, how many times can I say definitely? We felt like it was more of an oily consistency. However, it did have a moisturizing consistency. So when you think like luminous hydrating or highlighting balm, I definitely didn't feel like this highlighted whatsoever, but it was definitely a bit more on the hydrating side. And Haley definitely felt like if you were to try and like roll it over top of your foundation, it was gonna lift. We haven't tried that yet, but just letting you guys know, it does have a retail value of $26. Last but not least, and I believe this is what I chose for the box, and this is the Gigi Gorgeous and this is her new line of bronzers, and I did go ahead and swatch this. One side is definitely lighter than the other, and it does have a retail value of $24, and I did kind of mix them together, and that is the shade that it does come out. So I think it's going to match my skin tone very nicely. It does say it is the 6 Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra, cruelty-free and vegan, and like I said, retail value of $24. So everything in this particular box came to a total of $142, and I do believe that for $25, I think they guarantee you as well at least $125 worth of product. I could be wrong on that. If y'all know for sure, definitely feel free to leave us a comment down below. So when it comes down to which box do I like better, I have to say, so I think when it comes down to it, which box I think was better, I honestly think they were both really good. I definitely think I will be using the Gigi Gorgeous. Eventually, at some point in time, I'll try the mascara. I'll definitely be trying that. So let's say there's definitely 3 products in here in the Ipsy that I can use. If we're looking at our Boxycharm, I will definitely be using the Juice Beauty. I've already used the lipstick. I've used the brushes. And I've used the Celestial Thunder palette. The only thing I won't be using is the masks in here. So obviously that way there's more. Honestly, because of these 2 products alone that came in my Boxycharm, I'm gonna give it to Boxy. It was a close call, guys. I definitely feel like it was kind of a close call. This is not my favorite Ipsy box, and I'm kind of calling it a close tie because everyone has told me this Illamasqua primer is amazing. So I'm assuming that, why am I trying to justify this? Just give it to Boxycharm. This right here and this right here had me so excited, and I have crazy dry under eyes right now, so I was really excited to be trying this out. So yeah, we're giving it to Boxycharm for the win for November 2019 in the Battle of the Boxes. Boxycharm is the winner. I'm just gonna say Ipsy wasn't bad. They were getting there, but Boxycharm, like, I'm gonna be real with you guys, Ipsy was killing it for a while. I thought Ipsy was coming in hard, coming in strong, and I think that Boxycharm felt the wrath of Ipsy. And then I feel like they were like, okay, we see you, Ipsy. Here you go, friends. And then they came back and they're killing it. So yeah, there's that. So anyways, guys, if you are interested in picking up an Ipsy or Boxycharm and signing up, definitely check my description box down below. I do have the referral link for Ipsy. It is not an affiliate link or anything. So I don't make a commission off of that. I do have an affiliate link with Boxycharm. So if you guys do sign up with Boxycharm, thank you. I do appreciate that. But either way, you guys have to choose what works best for you and which box has more products in there that you enjoy. Don't just go off of what I say. So anyways, friends, if you guys did enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would help me out by leaving me a comment down below which box you enjoyed for November, Boxycharm or Ipsy, as well as hit that like button. Feel free to share this video over on Facebook. Again, I'm so tired, my brain is like slowly shutting down. We love that. Anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. Again, check my description box down below for all information, coupon codes, all that fun stuff, as well as the Patreon link. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!